कहाँ देखा
और के बाद
ये नहीं दोनों
देख ठाड़ो के डांस करो
Ladies' kitty parties. Yes, friends, you may have heard about this word, ladies' kitty parties, and you may have experienced these parties. But in today's video itself, I'm going to show you how ladies, especially in villages, they do kitty parties and how they enjoy their life. Because being a simple person, okay, being a woman, being a simple person, how do we enjoy everything? So let me show you everything. So in today's video, as you can see, um, there is a fire, and in that fire my mother is busy roasting something. So let me tell you what are these things. So these are chickpeas plants and wheat ears, and just to roast it, we had to collect some hay, okay, dried hay. So I got it, and not only I, all of us, we were busy collecting it. And but before that, my mother-in-law, she went to the chickpeas farm and she rooted out some chickpeas plant, and then children, they went to wheat farm to get wheat ears, and then the roasting process has been started, which was done by my mother-in-law and my mother-in-law's sister-in-law, okay, means my aunt-in-law. And kids were also there, and I one of my brother-in-laws, who is the youngest one, so he was there in my lap, and it was too hot. So that's why, especially in the summer, now summer has started, so especially in the daytime, in the afternoon, we have to face this type of problems, but still we love enjoying it. And as you can see, he is my youngest brother-in-law, and he's there in my lap. And my daughter, she's not there, okay. And my mother-in-law, she is using a long stick to roast it. And especially ladies, okay, they don't have so many things to enjoy in villages, so they love to enjoy just by using simple ways, because they don't need so many things, they don't need so much money to enjoy.
Hey,
Their
out.
family is everything for them. When they spend time with their family members, when they enjoy these small things, so these small things, these small activities gives them happiness. It's kind of doing kitty parties. And now for 1 month, each and every day, ladies will do this thing. And especially, it's really very unique thing, the especially roasted chickpeas and roasted wheat ears. it's it tastes very delicious, okay, it's mouth watering. And I know that it would seem to you like how mean these people are, how dirty their clothes are, and still their hands are not completely washed, still they are eating it. So let me tell you, friend, this is the way we live in villages. We don't need to be conscious only about the cleanliness and everything. And that's why, despite not having so many facilities, villages, they don't face so many health issues. They face, there's no doubt, I'm not completely saying that they don't fall sick. They fell sick, but not big diseases. Like cough and cold, it's normal just because of changes in the weather. And now the chickpeas were totally roasted. So now it's time to enjoy those roasted chickpeas. So all of us, we sat around that fire and we started enjoying it. So first of all, just to enjoy, we had to sit and we have to pick over one by one all the wheat ears and the roasted chickpeas, and then we have to mash it between our palms just to remove the skin of the wheat as well as wheat seeds as well as the roasted chickpeas, and then we can enjoy. But without chutney, means without that chutney we can't enjoy it. So one of my sister-in-law, she grinded that chutney, like there were only three ingredients, like chilies, red chilies, then salt and garlic, and she grinded it, and then we started enjoying it. And
अपन अपन हाथ दिखाओ
दम दे आओ तुम अपन गोड़ हाथ सब
कहाँ देखा
औरत के बात
एक है नहीं दोनों
दे ठाड़ होके डांस करो
उधर
ए बाबू ए इधर जाको ये हेट मेरी क्या घुसी भाई का
इधर खटिया में
and all the kids, they are also enjoying sitting under a tree, and this is a tree of a lemon, and they are not on, there is not only a lemon tree, there are so many plants are there, like there is mango and bananas, guavas and oranges plants are there. And now I'm feeling stuffed, so I'm just trying to distribute it among all the ladies and all the children, but no one wanted to have it, so I just gave this to my mother-in-law. And as you can see, this kid here, there is no need to take so much care of the kids, okay? And we don't need to pay so much attention to kids. Yeah, we have to. But ladies, they don't get enough time to take care of their kids because they have so many work to do. So it's their own way to enjoy their daytime, at least half an hour and 1 hour, despite having busy schedule and despite not having anything, because in villages the ladies condition is their reality, their situation, it's too bad. They are always bound to do what they have to do, what they are supposed to do. And I'm also among all of them, and I also consider myself a part of this community or this patriarchy society. Still, as I always mention, that we have to just enjoy our life, no matter what all we have and what we don't have. We have to enjoy our life. We have to try to live our life to its fullest. And now it's time to drink water. So we are using that bottles water. I'm drinking it, and my mother-in-law, she is still enjoying it. So in this way, we enjoyed our day, and this is the way that we used to celebrate as a kitty parties. So you just tell me, how do you do kitty parties in cities? I haven't experienced even a single time so far, and I don't want to, because I love this nature and I love this natural style of you enjoying kitty parties and ladies gathering. So I hope you must have liked that video. We would meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.